Hello guys, GK quiz on periodic table. The rows in periodic table are called, right answer is periods. Which one of the following elements is very rare? Right answer is francium. In periodic table, elements are arranged in left to right fashion in each row based on, right answer is number of protons in their nucleus. The columns of periodic table is called, right answer is groups. The noble or inert gases are lined up in the dash column of the periodic table. Right answer is 18th column of the periodic table. Periodic table was formulated by, right answer is Dmitry Mendeleev. Which element in the periodic table has the highest atomic number and highest atomic mass of all known elements? Right answer is oxygenation. Which of the following statements are true? Answer is all are true. The first 94 element in the periodic table occur naturally. Element 95 to 118 have been synthesized in laboratories or nuclear reactor. Alkali metal occupy the leftmost column in the periodic table. Hence all are true. Was the first man-made or artificially produced element? Right answer is technetium. Is responsible for maintaining the periodic table? Right answer is IUPAC. Who proposed laws of triads? Right answer is Dobryner. Reactive metals with low ionization enthalpies belongs to, right answer is S block elements. They belong to S block elements. Which of the following statements are true about D block? Right answer is all are true. These are elements of group 3 to 12 in the center of the periodic table. D block are all metals. They are known as transition elements. All are true. Which of the following statements are true about F block elements? Right answer is all are true. These are elements from two rows at the bottom of the periodic table. Lanthanoids and acetinoids belong to F elements. They are known as inner transition elements. Which of the following element named by Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory? Right answer is lawrencium and berkelium. So both A and B. Right answer is option C. In the modern periodic table, the period indicates the value of, right answer is principal quantum number.